I think it's important to keep in mind that sometimes the goal isn't to make a phone look purty or brand new or like it had never been dropped or thrown across the room. I think sometimes the client just wants the phone to turn on. A guy came in today and he was complaining that his phone wouldn't go past a black screen, and if it did, it'd just show a triangle and a little temperature sign. Well, I went ahead and took a look at the back, and there's a clear impact point on the back door, and that tells me that there might be something wrong with this sensor. Maybe it became damaged at some point, and it needs to be replaced. So that's what I did. I went ahead and changed this whole sensor out. I'm gonna plug the battery in and the sensor itself, and let's see if it turns on all right. And there we go. And just like he brought it in, that's how I'm going to give it to him, except now it turns on. And this stuff you see on the back, well, that's just tape. I like to put tape on the back doors when they're really, really cracked. That way, when I'm opening a phone, it won't crack any further. Yep, that's all there is to it.